Hey guys, welcome to China. I'm Tony from LCSIGN. Today I'm going to show you something really special. Take a closer look on this one. Here, you see here, this is a trim cap design LED channel letters. In the front we have UV print to make it a fade effect. Very, very beautiful. You know what it looks inside? Not very so beautiful. Take a look over there. This is what it looks like inside. Take a closer look. Look at here. These are waterproof LED modules pasted with glues on it. Not so beautiful, but our technicians will make sure the lights be even. Our technicians will make sure the lights to be even on the surface by rearranging these positions of the LED modules. This entire LED sign is powered by 12 voltages of safe electricity. All kinds of color, size, shape. Look at this back shell. Here, this is electroplated steel surface. Looks like a gold mirror. Very beautiful. A sign like these, we provide 5 years of warranty with a waterproof feature, and it comes with an amazing price, even include the shipping fee to North America, Europe, Australia. So just let us know what kind of business you have for signs like these. Let me know in the comments or send us an email, WhatsApp message at the link in my bio. We'll see you soon.